want to show you guys this life jacket that I just picked up. Now, I have a couple other life jackets and they're big and they're bulky, and so I wanted to get something that was just really easy to slap on when you're out there kayaking, paddle boarding, or just getting into this boat right here, a little fishing. This is not going to be a water sport life jacket. This is not a life jacket where you're going to be wakeboarding or water skiing or anything like that. This is perfect for kayaking because it has a bunch of pockets. You have a pocket right here, so if you want to put a pair of pliers, you have this Velcro strap right here. You can also put like a GoPro mount or a tripod mount right here. You can also use this loop to maybe put like a selfie stick or something like that if you want to brag about your fishing catch, right? I kind of hooked this up to here just in case, and you're good to go. So you got a secure spot here. If you want, you can attach any other carabiners. I mean, this is really sturdy. You can attach any other carabiners or a whistle or any SOS type stuff. Another one over here. These pockets are kind of cool. You can put like a little fishing. For me, I'm gonna put a little fishing pot right in here. If you want to carry your license, your fishing license in here, you can put a little pouch right there, or a dry bag, and it's going to fit your phone right there. I'd probably snap it in a dry bag so you can have your phone right there. Just wanted to show you the size of that pocket. Then you have another similar pocket over here, right here. These bungee straps right here, again, if you wanted to put any like lures right here to keep them strapped down. Again, another inside pocket. I mean, this thing is full of pockets all over the place. So that's kind of really makes it nice for a gear bag, right? And not only is this gonna be a life jacket, and you're gonna, it's one of those things that you don't really need until you need it, but might as well be able to use it with all the gear that you want to bring along. This is obviously, it's an adult size life jacket here, and it just has the one clip down around the waist. It has some cinch straps depending on how tight or how loose that you like it, as you cinch it up right around the waistline as well. So right around here, that's gonna make it feel really tight and really snug. It's gonna be lightweight, breathable, and it's not gonna chafe you right here. So if you are fishing, you're not gonna even notice this. I've had other life jackets where it kind of gets in the way. They're big and bulky. Not this one. This solves that problem. So whether you're hunting, fishing, or just spending the day playing on the water, this life jacket's gonna give you multiple options other than just saving your life.